Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Adkin and welcome to my course Planning and Implementing a Hybrid SharePoint 2019. I am a Pluralsight author. More than 90% of Fortune 500 companies are using Office 365, with more and more companies and organizations migrating SharePoint on-premise to SharePoint online every day. In this course, we're going to go over planning and implementing multiple aspects of a SharePoint hybrid model. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding the SharePoint hybrid model, planning and implementing hybrid team artifacts, search service in hybrid, and installing an on-premise data gateway. By the end of this course, you'll know the fundamentals of creating different types of SharePoint hybrid scenarios and be ready to begin implementing your own. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Windows Server, SharePoint 2019, SharePoint Online, and Office 365. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn hybrid SharePoint configurations with the Planning and Implementing a Hybrid SharePoint 2019 course at Pluralsight.